Alright, Modern Amateur Radio License Study Guide for Novice Technician General Class by William A. Hunter. Modern Amateur Radio License Study Guide for Novice Technician General Class. William Hunter, Tab Books, Blue Ridge Summit, Pennsylvania, 1721-4. First edition, copyrighted 1978, printed in the United States. First printing. Forward. For years, the FCC issues study questions for those interested in preparing amateur radio examination for the years with the possible by book same question, long and short, concise answer with a good memory. You could simply memorize the answers and have a responsibly good chance of passing the written portion of the exam. The trouble was little knowledge was gained from the exercise. With the recent years, the FCC has prepared study guides for the various classes of the amateur radio. The studies have few sample questions generally indicated subject areas should know for the exam. Such sets of questions no longer issued. This approach is more or less force application license to become a more familiar subject matter. So strict memorization no longer gets you past the FCC examiners. Comparing this book, I have used study guides prepared with the FCC with every topic of the FCC guideline been covered in this book. Part 1, Novice Class Examination. Part 2, Technical General Class Examination. Book has written with question and answer format. You will find the answers not short and sweet. The answers are not short and sweet. You'll have a tough time just memorizing the answers then, but this is intended. I want you to use the book not only to pass the written portion examination, but to learn how the fascinating hobby of the amateur radio electronics. You'll know something after you have studied this book. This book is divided into 2 parts. I deal with the questions of the may appear with a novice class exam containing the depth of the analysis working electronics a far greater extent with simple question of the FCC examination. After studying the book, you'll have the need to pass the test. You'll have the ability to what you learn to any situation in which you come across the novice. Part 2 of this book, any questions likely to be found in the technician and general class examination written portion exam, same for both classes. Again, as a novice section, I have covered every area suggested for the FCC study guideline. In most cases, I have more merely answered questions. I have added other information likely to need to know sometime during the ham career. In both Navy class and technical, novice class and technical general class examination by the FCC with the questions required answered or presented in extremely simple format, you will not be required to write long, involved essay type answers. Study the book. In either class, you'll come through the exam with flying colors. Fellow ham, I am certainly welcome you to the group. William M. Hunter, K6QAT. Contents. Introduction. 1. Basic electric principles. 2. Function circuit components. 3. Practical electronic circuits. 4. Transmitting signals. 5. Radio wave propagation. 6. Amateur radio operating procedure. 7. Rules and regulation. 8. Electronic principles. 9. Circuit components. 10. Practical circuits. 11. Emission characteristics. 12. Radio phenomena. 13. Ametuer transmission lines. 14. Radio communication practices. 15. Operating procedures. 16. FCC rules and regulation index. Part 1. The novice class.